today I would like to show you how to install a Beta X on a prominent tank and how to pipe it up properly. First, install the click foot on the tank and screw it on properly with screws. Take the Beta X and click it on the tank. It's now securely mounted. As the next thing, we need to pipe it up. For the suction side, we use a soft PVC hose, and for the pressure side, we use a hard PE hose. So we use now the union nut, then the clamp ring, and at the end we use the nozzle. Put it in and then we press it in properly. You can use the table to push it in properly. So this is now for the suction side. When we install it, we need to select a proper sealing, which is compatible with the medium. For the pressure side, the PE hose is much harder. Same procedure, clamp ring, union nut, clamp ring, and then the nozzle. Push it in properly. You need a bit of power. So then you select the correct sealing for your medium. Now you install the pressure tube, therefore use the sealing. And screw it on, hand tight. As a next step, I connect the foot valve, also using a correct sealing for your medium. Now you put the foot valve in the tank. It must be on the bottom of the tank. Now cut the suction tube to the desired length. And connect it to the suction side of the pump. Last but not least, the nozzle. Don't forget the sealing. The foot valve is taking care that the suction tube is always at the bottom of the tank, and also it includes a filter. On the pressure side, we connect the injection valve, same procedure. On the discharge side, we connect and push the nozzle properly on the PE tube. Select the correct sealing for your medium. And connect the injection valve. This injection valve could then be screwed in a pipe with water, and now you could inject, for example, chlorine or hydrogen peroxide into a water line. This is how to pipe up a Beta X properly.